Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading you a poem called Stay True to You from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Stay true to you. Don't allow people to change you into someone you're not. If you're not careful, humanity can convince you that wrong is right. In time, you'll wonder why you lost your integrity and faith in God. Accept everyone has their journey, and accept yours is to be the best you and be true to who you are. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about the simple things in life. So if you're able, please just think of a few simple things that you wouldn't normally think of and just be grateful for those. I am grateful for the wildlife in the backyard. I am grateful for the carpets I have. I am also grateful for the sunglasses I get to wear. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.